Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your trusted destination for the latest motorcycle news and in-depth reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the new Yamaha Drag Star 250 2026, a lightweight cruiser that blends classic styling with modern engineering. Yamaha has revived the Drag Star name with fresh updates, making this bike an exciting option for new riders and cruiser fans alike. Classic cruiser design. The 2026 Yamaha Drag Star 250 stays true to its traditional cruiser roots. It features a low-slung profile, wide handlebars, and a stretched wheelbase that gives it an unmistakable cruiser stance. Chrome accents on the exhaust and engine casing add a premium touch, while the teardrop fuel tank enhances its timeless appeal. Yamaha has refined the paint finishes for 2026, offering deeper colors and cleaner detailing that make the bike look more upscale despite its small displacement. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Yamaha Drag Star 250 2026 is a smooth and reliable 249 cubic centimeters V-twin engine. This air-cooled engine is tuned for relaxed cruising rather than aggressive performance. Power delivery is linear and predictable, making it ideal for city riding and short highway runs. Yamaha has improved fuel efficiency and throttle response for 2026, ensuring smoother acceleration and better overall ride quality. The 5-speed gearbox complements the engine well, offering easy shifts and stress-free riding. Ride comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is a key highlight of the Drag Star 250. The low seat height makes it approachable for shorter riders and beginners, while the forward-set foot pegs create a relaxed riding posture. The wide and cushioned seat provides good support for daily commutes and weekend rides. Yamaha has also worked on reducing vibrations, making longer rides more enjoyable. Overall, the ergonomics are designed to deliver a laid-back cruising experience. Chassis, suspension, and handling. The 2026 Yamaha Drag Star 250 is built on a lightweight yet sturdy frame that enhances stability and control. The front telescopic forks and rear dual shock absorbers are tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven road surfaces effectively. While it's not a sport bike, the Drag Star handles corners confidently and feels planted at moderate speeds. The low center of gravity further improves balance, especially for new riders. Braking and safety features. Braking duties on the Yamaha Drag Star 250 2026 are handled by a front disc brake and a rear drum brake. Yamaha has optimized braking performance for better stopping power and control. Depending on the market, ABS may be available as an option, adding an extra layer of safety. The braking setup is more than adequate for the bike's power output and intended cruising style. Technology and instrumentation. In terms of technology, the Drag Star 250 keeps things simple and rider-focused. The analog-style instrument cluster provides essential information such as speed, fuel level, and engine indicators. Yamaha has ensured improved visibility and durability for the gauges. While it doesn't offer advanced electronics, the simplicity aligns well with the bike's classic cruiser character. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the strongest points of the Yamaha Drag Star 250 2026 is its excellent fuel economy. The efficient engine and lightweight design make it a budget-friendly option for daily use. The fuel tank capacity is sufficient for city rides and short tours, reducing the need for frequent refueling. Maintenance costs are expected to remain low, making this bike practical for long-term ownership. Target riders and competition. The Yamaha Drag Star 250 is aimed at beginner riders, cruiser enthusiasts, and those looking for a stylish yet manageable motorcycle. It competes with other small-displacement cruisers but stands out due to Yamaha's build quality and reliability. Riders who want a classic cruiser look without the weight and power of larger bikes will find this model especially appealing. Final thoughts. The new Yamaha Drag Star 250 2026 successfully combines classic cruiser aesthetics with modern refinements. It offers smooth performance, comfortable ergonomics, and impressive fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for urban riders and newcomers to cruising motorcycles. Yamaha's attention to detail and reliability further enhance its value. Stay tuned to Pro Wheelhouse for more updates, reviews, and first looks at the latest motorcycles hitting the market.